Hi, it's Ant from Black Belt Diagnostics. Got another little video showing you another cool multimeter trick maybe. This could prove handy in a certain situation. Let's turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm on about. So I've got two multimeters here, and you may notice all my meters have a voltage. You've probably seen it in certain videos and go, why is you at 2.8 volts on this multimeter? And this one's at 3.1 volts. So at the moment I've got the Verdict M2 just on voltage, so voltage DC. It's in auto range. Now, have you ever had a sensor where you need to give it a voltage? So like you want to do a quick wiring test. You can actually use your multimeter in diode test mode. So set your multimeter to that mode, in amperage. So at the moment you can see we're looking at resistance, and even with that resistance, this multimeter is outputting 220 millivolts. So okay, not enough. On this multimeter, if you then put it onto a diode test, you can now see these leads are kicking out 2.8 volts. So I now know 2.8 volts. Let's say, for example, you get a throttle potentiometer, you want to unplug it, and you know there's 0 volts on the signal wire. You can basically put this into the signal, that to the ground, and you can basically fire 2.8 volts up into the engine ECU. Look at live data. If it says 2.8 volts, you know your wiring's in tip-top condition. So this little trick can be good as a sensor simulator. So you know, you're probably thinking, okay, 3.1 volts. So let's switch it around. Let's put that to voltage, put that one on, and you can see at the moment, I'm only in beep test, but it already puts out 1.2 volts. So let me go to that button there, and you can see I'm now in diode test. Even though it says 2.5 volts, you can see there, this is actually kicking out 3.28, which is slightly higher than my 3.1. But if I just wanted to put a voltage down a wire, see if the engine ECU or any ECU is seeing the correct voltage or seeing 3.7 volts, it's just a quick way to prove wiring integrity and ECU integrity. Hope you found it interesting, and thank you for watching.